What's up, guys? How's it going? This is Seth, your chartist. Welcome to Spy Weekly. Today is 14th July 2024, Sunday. As you can look here at the bottom, local time 9:09 p.m. I will be analyzing Spy now. If you do like the analysis, just make sure you follow me here on TradingView. My name is the Chartist. You can also follow me on YouTube, X, Instagram, and TikTok. Don't forget to press the bell icon on YouTube. This is my X account where I do post trades. You can go through my account, and don't forget to like me here as well. Okay, let's start the analysis. So what I'll be doing in this analysis is I'm going to give you my view. I'm going to show you, not show you, I'm going to tell you that, what I feel, what levels I feel are very safe for us to trade, and what not to trade, and where the momentum is. And I will, analyze all that. So let's start really quick. Firstly, this demand zone is still on. Okay, and let me turn on the drawings. It's going to get complicated because I have a lot of drawings here, but I'm going to break everything down for you. So this level has actually been, we have hit the target here, which I have, like I was discussing since last month. So now we are over that target. And let me ask you guys, and let me discuss it as well. When price was falling on Thursday, why was everybody scared? Your job is to find the trade, put a stop loss, look for the target, and move on. I sold my SPY stocks literally here around 558, 557.95. So what's wrong with it? And one more thing is, whenever price is going all time high and you have some quantities from the lower levels, your job is, nobody knows what the high is going to be, but market doesn't fall on a dime. It takes time and then it reverses. Okay, I'm not talking about retracement. I'm talking about a proper reversal. So market doesn't reverse on a dime. It takes time. And one more thing is that this is not a fall. This cannot be the fall. Okay, and whatever level, this level has actually given my intention here is to make you guys understand that whenever you are taking a trade, I'm going to repeat it again, it needs to give you 1:2, otherwise the trade is bad. Okay, when it was falling, um I added Nvidia was already there, Meta, Google, and Spy. Okay, and AMD as well. Now, I don't care if market is falling. My job is to analyze this data right here and then trade on the basis of this data. Now, uh, let's see if we did entered. Let's see if we did make an entry somewhere here. Let's put a stop loss level here where it has been marked. So you're getting 1:2, as you can see, 1:2.25. So this trade is actually done. So whenever if you're taking a trade, you need to make sure that you're getting minimum 1:2. For every dollar you're risking, you need to make $2. If you're not making that, then that's not a trade. And then you're not even a trader. Okay. Now this trade has actually given us 1:2, which is good. Now, I'm telling you again, whenever price goes all time high, your job is to trail your profit. You cannot know what the high is, but if it hits certain levels, everybody has their own way of trailing profits. So you take that and then you move on. Okay, now what's gonna happen? Now, what is my expectation? I'm still bullish. Okay, if price this is selling, whatever you see in this wick, this is selling because it was a green candle and then something happened. Okay, sellers started coming in, and that is why this wick is made. And now the body is, less than 50% of the entire range. That's a problem, definitely problem. But after this candle, price should have gone sideways, but it shooted up. And this move was not expected on the next day, but it is what it is. Your job is to enter as per your levels and then move on. Now, if price do come back in this zone, around 556, your job is to re-enter again, put a stop loss where the stop loss level is, and then move on. Whenever you're finding a trade, you need to, make sure that you know what your stop loss levels are. Because if you're trading without stop loss level, then you will never make big in the market. Okay, let's put it like that. Do not focus on the target, focus always on the stop loss level. I'm telling you again, because this is the risk that you will be taking tomorrow if your intentions are to go long. And again, these are not option levels. Okay, option level would be somewhere around 561. I will show you if data lets me take option trades. If you're selling options, you're selling puts, you're because I am bullish. If it hits my stop, I'm gonna get out. So if I'm selling puts, okay, I will have to check IVF, I will have to check a lot of other things, then I will do my calculation and I will try to hedge it. Okay, I won't sell a naked put. I won't do that. But understand here logically, if it comes here, we do not use used demand zone. So it has been already used, but the reaction is not that crazy. So yeah, if price do come back in here, you can definitely go long, but make sure that you're putting a stop loss level which is here and then go long. Now let me show you one thing. I'm going to hide all this. Logically think here, this is a complete rally that started from here, and you most of I'm telling you the truth, which would be better. Most of you have not even made nothing here. You have lost a lot of money in this rally. Okay, I'm telling you the reality of the stock market. But it is what it is. You guys, like, you need to focus more on understanding the charts and then you will make money. Let me show you here. Look at these candles. So this is a rally. Now if somebody bought here, they want to book profit, what will they do? They will start selling. So you will see a retracement. So SPY moving, look here, daily range for SPY. If SPY goes $5-10 up and down, it's nothing for SPY. If you're trading SPY, you know that it's very normal. Now after this candle, this is, look at the data here. So this is just 0.86%, not even 1% fall for SPY. Now, when it came here, I started adding. Why? Because let me show you the targets for QQQ. If everything works on, and if we don't get a closing below 490 tomorrow, or like in near future, like in this week, then your QQQ is gonna go here. Okay. Now let's see what Microsoft is doing. Momentum, clear cut momentum here. Put a stop loss and then trade. Nvidia targets, my targets, I'm telling you openly, 144. If it doesn't hit, I know where to stop, man. Like, I know where to stop. But 144 is my ultimate target. Apple is in a demand zone, but I am expecting, if it comes here, look at my alerts. I will try to go long from these levels, but these are okay levels. You can go long from here as well, because SPY, along with Microsoft, along with Nvidia, along with Apple, along with Meta, along with Google, it is in the demand zone. Okay, and think logically. I will do a full-fledged video on SPY. Give me some time. Understand that SPY, Microsoft has 7%, 7.23 percent weightage in SPY. So you see this order right here. So Microsoft is 7%. This is 6.5%. This is 6.5%. This is 3.5%. This is 2.5%. 2.5%. Roughly, I'm telling you. So these three alone make 20% for SPY. Okay, so you need to focus on what these guys are doing. These are bullish as per my understanding. So yeah, we can see an up move, but if it breaks this level, let me turn on the drawings. If SPY do break this level where the stop loss is, I will take my stop, get the hell out of the market, and then I will wait for these levels. Okay, these are the other levels where initially, if you do remember, price started working from this demand zone, and it started consolidating and then it started shooting up. So now this is a very, very poor demand zone, and this is a reaction of this guy. So this is not the greatest of all, but understand there has been an imbalance, and price from the low of 543, it did a high of 561. So there is something that is here. So we'll trade this level as well, with the stop loss again. And we have beautiful levels here. If you do remember, we have level here, we have a level here. These are all marked, and I'm waiting for price to come here. We have a lot of momentum in this range. It shouldn't, this is a top, and price should not come below this. But even if it comes, it might make a wick and then go up. Okay, like you see a wick at the top, and then this is the empty part. So similar wave, price do come down, it can, right? One day it will break the zone and it's going to come down. If it does come down, you might see a wick here, because there are pending orders here, but it's not a good level, but definitely tradable. Okay. Now, what did I discuss here? I said that SPY, I'm gonna, put everything in a gist, and I'm gonna wrap the video up. So I said SPY SPY cannot move on its own. Microsoft, Nvidia, Apple, Amazon, Meta, Google, uh, AVGO, right? LLY. You need to understand all these companies. They have like whatever sequence that you see here. These, Microsoft has the highest weightage in SPY. So if Microsoft, Nvidia, Apple, Amazon, Meta, Google will move, which looks like it should move, then why won't SPY move? Okay, and spy moves on its own as well. But when all of these stocks are in demand, when I'm telling you, your job is to just put a stop loss and trade. Now spy, a lot other than these stocks, spy also has sector weightage. So this is whatever you're seeing here, this is technology sector, which is 33%. I will break everything down in a bigger video, but the video is going to be 1 hour long. If you want to trade in the market, you need to understand what spy if you want to understand what spy is trying to do, and how spy works, you have to watch that video. I will upload that and it's free. I'm not charging you anything for that. But again, you need to have that patience to understand how market behaves, how market works. My concept here is, my perception here is that market is still bullish. I don't really care what market can do. What I am understanding is my market should go sideways. It should go sideways. There is a lot of momentum here in these guys right here. It can definitely come here. I'm not denying the fact that it cannot come there, but I'm telling you, if it comes here, what will happen? From 559, if it comes to 545, what will happen? Nothing. But it shouldn't, because a lot of the stocks which you see here, Microsoft can move around 5449 ish, it can come here in these levels. Nvidia can again go sideways. For Nvidia, going sideways is 120, 129. This is a whole range. So people who are doing options, they will die, they will burn their money to ashes, but not me, because I am not long in anything. If you'll go and visit, like, honestly, just go and go through my tweets for Friday. I was clearly telling you a fall is expected. Don't be a sheep when you can be a shepherd. I'm telling you again, I was expecting this, and that is why I didn't go long. I was expecting some sort of up move, but it was not supported by market, so it came down. But I have no options, no option calls or puts, buying on sell or selling side. I'm nowhere. I'm not trading. But yeah, I whatever I bought, I shared on X. I did bought my Nvidia. I did bought Meta, Google, and Spy and AMD. I am bullish on AMD. I will break down Tesla for you as well. Let's wait and see what Tesla can do. It's reacting from a 4 hour demand zone. Anyways, this was Spy for you. If you have any doubts, any questions, um, just DM me on TradingView, or on X, you can tag me. Please, if it breaks this level, take the stop loss. And if you have the capacity to hold it for this level, I don't know how you guys trade. Like, everybody has their own unique trading style. For me, if I do have stocks here, I'm going to hold for this level, because I know how SPY behaves. But if you have option contracts that to a weekly, you will burn your money, because that's a fluke if it works. Okay, I don't trade option which have weekly expiry for SPY. And if you're doing daily, then you will definitely lose money. So I take at least 2-3 months time with me, because if I'm buying SPY options, because I know they would be expensive, and I try to play at the money or in the money, not deep in the money. That's how I make money. But this is it. If you did like the analysis, make sure you follow me here on TradingView. My name is the Chartist. You can also follow me on YouTube, X, Instagram, and TikTok. That's me, and I am posting trades as usual, so you can follow me here as well. All right. Have a wonderful night. We'll see you guys tomorrow, and let's see what happens. I do not fight the market. I don't believe in fighting with the market. If it hits my stop, I will get the hell out. I won't, waste my time or my money. Take care. We'll see you soon tomorrow. Bye bye.